Dear students, it is the video 6th. It is all about, we'll cover the remaining parts of the public speaking skills, oral presentations. The final is product knowledge. This video I'll explain the product knowledge plus the assignments that you are supposed to maintain at as a homework. In the previous videos, we realized and highlighted some of the points mandatory for a successful interview. And interviews, basically, the more you involve, the more you appear in front of the people, the more successful person you become in interviewing. Product knowledge. A product knowledge basically is the knowledge of whatever the thing you sell, design, produce. That you should be very aware of what that thing is, how it is prepared, what are the major parts of that very object, clear, how that object operates, clear, what are the prices, and what other types of similar objects in the market, and what is their range and function. The main objective of the product knowledge is to satisfy your customer, and this is actually the area of sales and procurement and marketing. Everything that is to be designed have to be marketed. Thereby, these marketing companies, these customer relation companies, all they use this very tool as the product knowledge, and by this reason they publish different kind of advertisements, guides for the users, and many things. Fine. Thereby, the companies hire marketers, they hire the salespersons, they hire the media personals to boost their sales. Fine. The more effectively a company use the marketing tools, the most revenue they gain. Product knowledge is the most important tool for closing sales. It instills faith, trust, and respect in customer. Clear? Which creates a positive customer experiences. Fine. Well, strengthen communication skills. What is the benefits of the product knowledge? It strengthens your communication skills. A thorough and wider understanding of a product enables a salesperson to use different techniques and modes of presenting a product to the various types of customers. Stronger communication skills empower a salesperson to suitably adapt a sales presentation for greater impact. Means, remember this, that suppose you are an employee in a software house and you design different kind of products, clear, and you need to sell it out to the different companies. Obviously, when you are going to market your product, you need to have communications, proper information of your project and its each and everything, clear. And obviously, when you are seeing that your company, your audience is a executive person already well skilled in computer sciences and databases and connectivity, you will get more and more knowledge about your product and will prepare a suitable presentation. Enthusiasm. Once the people who have the more product knowledge, they are mostly more enthusiastic and confident. Armed with deep product knowledge, a display of enthusiasm and belief in the product may generate excitement among your customer and alleviate uncertainty. Alleviate, it means finish. Alleviate something hota hai, something to finish, mean to curb, to destroy uncertainty about the solutions that the product provides for the customer. Means product knowledge gives you excitement, because when you are well and sound in your information, the more warmly you go up to the customer and deciders. You have normally seen it that if in a cloth market there are two or three customers selling some salespersons, and when they find that a particular customer is not being satisfied by one person, the very senior comes and he satisfies them. This is what, with enthusiasm, grows confidence. If a customer isn't fully committed to completing a sale, the difference may simply be the presence of credibility or confidence salesperson has towards the product. I mean, whatever you are selling out, you should express it confidently. Assist in overcoming objections. Product knowledge provide you tackle the proposed or the future or the potential objections being raised by customer. Objections are sometimes genuine and sometimes simply they are the hearsay. But if a person has the factual information gained from the product knowledge, may be used to strike down objections voiced by the customer. Solid knowledge about your product coupled with parallel information about similar products sold by your competitors gives you that added advantage to easily counter objections. Fine. It is all about the product knowledge. And remember this, it is very important whether a person is selling something, purchasing something, or marketing something. Now it is the assignment. Suppose your company is going to hire data security officer. Your company is going to hire a data security officer, and you are being HR manager, have to write 12 key interview questions to judge and select the suitable person. This is very handy. This is very creative that you have to. Suppose you are the HR manager and you are going to select a person. What you can do? Firstly, collect basic information about the data security. But before you call an interview, first collect the basic information, that what is the nature of a job of a data security person, nature of assignment, professional and academic qualifications, minimum and the maximum level, and also about the work experience. And after, I mean, this is very important information that you need to know firstly before you write a job description or you design the interview questions. And now suppose you have assessed, taken information, taken guidelines, received guideline from your top management, and you are you have written down a job, means vacancy announcement in newspaper and also published on the web. But now the second phase, you have to prepare the interview questions. You can divide your interviews at least in 4 categories. Part 1, personal information. Number 2, qualification. Number 3, work experience and employment history. And number 4, technical questions related to the field. In personal information, you can ask him about himself, family background, personality traits, objectives of life. Qualification, you must inquire about the qualification history, general qualification, and specialized certifications and other things. Work experience or employment history, that you must explore from him, that where have you been working previously, what were the responsibilities, and why you want to leave that organization. Fine. Why are you interested here? Clear. Technical question related to the field. I mean, they are the very key questions. They normally are presented in a word problem, case studies, which materially happen in the organizations. Fine. It is all about the public speaking skills. Remember the students, this was simply an introduction. Every skill is a complete field and you have to work on all these 5 types. Listen to the speech, interviews, discussions, product presentations, clear, and then check that how they start, what type of language they use, what is their organization, clear, and how they divide their presentation on different parts, and then apply it in your practical presentations. Thank you very much.